tonight we are here at downtown San Jose. We're gonna visit some shops and food to eat for the Super Bowl 60.
No, he was some sort of business guy. Seattle Seahawks. Maybe there's one.
The events in downtown, particularly in San Pedro Square, is free. A Super Bowl pop-up shop where it's mostly empty. So here are some of the things to do for the Super Bowl photo ops. Very underwhelming. So they also moved the monthly first Friday of the week SJ Art Walk. Here you can browse for local products and buy some of them if you want to. You can see there's not a lot of stuff to see or do here, but we're gonna eat now. Not a lot of Super Bowl stuff. So we are eating here at the Hinidoya San Jose. So now we are here at the Discover Museum to watch the drone show.
We'd like to direct your attention towards the sky. Tonight's evening spectacle is about to begin. the cultural superstars who make San Jose a city of champions. We show the world why San Jose continues to rise for the occasion. Aided by more than 1,000 drones overhead, our city's innovation, diversity, and community spirit take flight.
Out of this historic neighborhood come the San Jose taiko drummers. Like their ancestors, they reinforce the spiritual heartbeat of Japan with every strike. Whether you call it Tet, Chinese New Year, or Sio Lao, San Jose knows how to celebrate the Lunar New Year. It's a shared moment of family, food, music, and hope. San Jose is also home to the largest Vietnamese population outside of Vietnam. In Little Saigon, generations have built a cultural foundation that continues to thrive.
At the 1968 Olympic Games, Tommy Smith and John Carlo stood atop the podium. They bowed their heads and raised black-gloved fists in a silent but powerful protest against racial injustice.
This, I thought, I could represent my people by letting them know that I'm proud to be a black man.
A large number of Italian immigrants began arriving in San Jose in the late 1800s. In the heart of downtown sits Little Italy, the city's original Italian neighborhood. The iconic Little Italy sign marks the spot. Many memories were made here. In Little Italy, culture is passed down one table at a time, connecting past and present, generation by generation.
San Jose neighborhoods, like Mayfair, Hispanic families built community while civil rights activist Cesar Chavez fought for dignity and justice. That spirit lives on with the Capuli Tonaleque Aztec dancers. They move with purpose, honoring the balance between earth, sky, and spirit.
Tonight, we celebrate not just a game, but the community that unites every voice under this San Jose sky. There's no better time to bring our city together through the spectacle of sport. All week long, San Jose comes alive with SJ26 events, including headlining concerts at City Hall, big game tailgates, and the San Pedro Square Super Fest, the ultimate fan experience. SJ26 sponsors who made tonight possible. To learn more about events happening across the city, visit sj26.org. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the celebration and enjoy the big game.
So what do you think of the Super Bowl event here? 2 stars. The only saving grace is the drone show, but everything is lame. Alright, that's it for the Super Bowl event here in downtown San Jose. Until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!